Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be trying out the Coco and Eve Sunny Honey Bali Bronzing Foam and the Bronzing Face Drops. I'm Jess, I love all things fitness, healthy lifestyle, and activewear. If you like those things too, definitely subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. So today I'm so excited. Coco and Eve have sent me this awesome kit of bronzing products to try out. Funny story, so I actually reached out to Coco and Eve like a year ago to try to work with them. I saw some ads for their hair conditioning mask as well as the bronzers, and it looked amazing, and I was like, I really want to work with them. And at first they said no. Flash forward to a year later and they reached out to me. So thank you so much, Coco and Eve, and thank you to all of you. Your support, watching my channel, commenting on my videos, liking, subscribing means so much. This has seriously been such a dream of mine. I have always, all of my life, loved sharing my favorite things. Like, if I find something I like, I have to tell all my friends and family. That's just how I am. So to get to try out products and share them with you is seriously one of my very favorite things. So I'm so excited. So thank you to all of you. Thank you, Coco and Eve, for making this happen. So we've got the Bali Bronzing Foam. I went with the ultra dark. I hope that was a good idea. I loved going with the darkest because if it's just a little bit of tan, I feel like what's the point? Like, I want to be deep dark. So I hope that was the right choice. And then the bronzing face drops, these are in medium glow. I believe these are buildable over a few days. So normally you would use the foam like once a week, but the drops you could actually use every couple of days. It also came with this buffing brush, so that's supposed to help to apply, as well as a mitt. I am so excited to try this out. I actually already filmed, well, this is a secret. This is a behind the scenes secret. I already filmed my outfits of the week. So I kind of wish I had the tan on before, but yesterday I had something that I was doing and I didn't get to show you the before. I really want to show you the before, what I look like, show you the application, and then hopefully get to show you the after. Here we go. I'm starting with the face first so I can wash my hands after I apply. It says to shake well and put it in your moisturizer. So I've got the JLo Beauty moisturizer here. Oh my god, it's squirting a little bit. Gosh. Got the cream. We've got, come on. It says 1 to 2 drops. Nothing's coming out. Oh, here we go, here we go. One. Doesn't really squeeze. 2, 3. Okay. Mix well. I have no idea. And apply. Next, I'm going to apply some moisturizer to my elbows, hands, and knees, and probably like my feet. That will help to not have too much tan sink in. That is what they recommend. So, just going to do generous amount, do my hands, do my like ankles, feet area. Oh no, I'm getting a pedicure tomorrow. Shoot, that was bad planning. I'm gonna take this out of the package so it's ready. This I guess is for like hands and stuff, so that's cool. Another thing I love about the mitt is it has a lining. I actually was gonna try to grab like a glove or something, but I guess I won't need it. Like, do you ever have with a mitt where like the tan goes through? So this, you'll be protected. So that was really awesome thinking on their part. All right, I'm gonna finish up and then let it sink in for a couple hours. Maybe shower today, maybe shower tomorrow, I don't know, but I will definitely come back and show you the results. Ta-da! Here is the final result. I think it came out amazing. It's very dark. I was joking this morning that I look like I went to Hawaii yesterday. It is not streaky at all. There are no streaks. My hands are actually pretty decent. I mean, I could have done a little bit better, but sometimes the first time you use something, you know, you don't know what you're doing, but really, like, it's not even that bad. It's just my knuckles are a little dark. My feet came out fine. No issues on my feet. I think it looks awesome. Here's the back. Ta-da. Very easy to apply. I think the mitt and then the little brush are awesome. I think that really helped the application, and I love that the mitt was lined so I don't have an orange palm today. If you've ever done that, you know exactly what I'm talking about. For the face, I probably could have used a little bit more. So I mixed the drops in with my moisturizer, but they kind of blend in. What I love about the foam is it has that kind of like color guard, so you know exactly where you're putting it. I actually had a lot of trouble doing my back. So I had like the brush and it just like took forever. So I hope that my back came out okay. I think it did. I'll have to look at this footage and see. So what I actually did for my face is I did the cream, and then after I had done all the tanning, I took the brush and I actually brushed like my cheeks, the bridge of my nose, just like where you would get a sunburn. I actually did like a little bit here. So I don't know if it's noticeable, but I thought that would kind of like make it just a little bit darker in those areas. It was kind of like whatever was remaining on that little brush from doing my hands and feet. And I do kind of feel like it worked. I don't know. Like, I feel like the bridge of my nose especially like looks like I've been in the sun. I don't know. You tell me, does it look natural? Overall, I loved it. I would say it had a really nice smell when it was going on, but then like as you're sitting in it, they say there's no smell. I felt like I had a little bit of a smell, but that's just me. So it said you could rinse after 2 hours, and I almost came back to show like it wasn't very dark at all after 2 hours. I would say it was like the 4-hour mark that I was like, ooh, we're really getting somewhere. And then I just slept in it. And when I woke up, I was like, yeah. I really love how it came out. Like, I really just feel like, you know, when you have a tan, it just sometimes makes you feel just like a little better. You get a little spring in your step. I don't know. So I really enjoyed using it. So thank you so much to Coco and Eve for sending this my way. I really enjoyed trying it out, and I'm really excited now to have this as part of like my tanning arsenal. They say to do it once a week, so I plan to do it again probably at the end of the week, like Saturday, so that on Sunday when I film my outfits I can have this bronzy glow. I wish I had this bronzy glow when I filmed my outfits, but you know, it's all right. I really wanted to make sure I could film it properly for you, and I felt like if I rushed to try to do it at nighttime, the lighting wouldn't be good. You wouldn't get to see what I was doing. So I hope you appreciate all my efforts. I will definitely be sure to link the products down below if you're interested in trying out Coco and Eve. I think it's really awesome, and I definitely see myself using this in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support, and I will see you in the next video soon. Have a great day. Stay positive. Bye!